Hello everyone, MSRNDA 2007 here, and this is going to be the April 2021 required monthly test, statewide required monthly test, and here we go.
This is a test of the Oklahoma Emergency Alert System. This message originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded. This is a test of the Oklahoma Emergency Alert Message originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. This is a test of the Oklahoma Emergency Alert System. This message originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
The temp is like lavender and chamomile because it's germ-free and non-habitable.
40. All right.
So, unfortunately, no TV activation this time. Here we go.
Originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
That is quite annoying. That is quite annoying. I hate that. That is so annoying. I hate it. Absolutely hate it. Because y'all just saw that. You saw that I was changing channels and all of a sudden it popped up on screen. Part of the problem of why it may have popped up late is because we just got our... is because we just... we've only had cable...
This is a test of the Oklahoma Emergency Alert System. This message originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Okay. Talk over Jimmy Fallon. Let's see here, 709.
You played, the next day on our show, Hello in There, which is a song I don't know how anybody can get through, let alone...
where is Fox 25?
Hats off to you. And the last time you were on this show, live and in person...
This is it, guys. This is the room where I get...
Okay, talk over that. Trying to figure out where Fox News is. Well, I guess I'll just wait for KF4 to do their test. Stupid me. Part of the reason why I think the message showed up late, I'm pretty sure it was something along the lines of our cable company. But another thing that can contribute is we've had some construction going on. And what ended up happening is we ended up having to take out our cable. Well, we ended up having to take out the device that provides our cable. And because of the construction. So, yeah. So that's part of the reason why I think that the test message showed up late on the screen. But most likely it was our cable company. In fact, last month it was completely told. Well, actually, oh wait, I went home for March's monthly test. But I know in February which I think I've already released a video featuring that clip, but in fact I do believe that I have already shown that clip in a video. But anyways, if I did release that clip and you saw it, then you'll know that the monthly test didn't show up on TV. That's completely and total fail on our cable company. So, yeah. That was quite annoying. I stayed up this late for that. In fact, I knew that there was going to be some sort of problem because every time, most of the time they do it. In fact, every time that I don't stay up for it, and they do it at 11:15 p.m., they don't even do it, it's not even done correctly. That is so annoying. I've been woken up multiple times by the monthly test, because I keep my TV running all night, because I used to keep my TV going all night, and I still do, you know, in case any alerts get issued. So yeah, I usually keep my TV on all night in case some sort of alert gets issued, and it doesn't get relayed over NOAA weather radio. Not that that would happen, but because most likely what would happen is a civil emergency message would get issued over NOAA weather radio, and then it'd be relayed on TV. Well, not really, but possibly. I'm not exactly sure how things are set up. I know that the FM station I had going on the ER310, which yes, I have put this back in service. The reason why I got taken out of service was because of a battery issue, and what ended up happening was actually the wire for the battery, the negative terminal for the rechargeable battery, ended up coming off, and what I ended up doing was I ended up using a bit of tape to hold it on there. Admittedly, that's not exactly safe, but that's what I'm going to use as temporary fix until I get a soldering iron. Once I get a soldering iron, then I'm going to put it on there. Here we go.
This is a test of the Oklahoma Emergency Alert System. This message originated from the State Emergency Operations Center. In the event of an emergency, this system will bring you important information. This test is now concluded.
Greatest albums to the master herself.
Okay, turn that down. Then go to Fox. Okay, I don't know about that. Okay, let's see here. Stick on News 9. KWTV. Alrighty, so unfortunately, I guess we'll have to wait till June until I can be able to record the monthly test again, because chances are I probably won't be home for it. Because, let me pull up the test schedule, because I actually have a photo of it. Wow, I have so many alerts. I have so many alerts that I've caught on WDFA, WAHC, WJON. Here we are. So here's the required monthly test schedule for 2021. So as you can see here, there's the one for this month, April 6th, 2021, 11:15 p.m. And I also have that scrolling here on Weather Star 4000. As you can see here, Oklahoma required monthly test, April 6th, 2021, 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. So yeah, I just have that scrolling on the bottom there. So yeah, and also it's been a while since I've used Weather Star 4000. In fact, I think I've used it in one video. I plan on trying to use Weather Star 4000 more often, and have stuff displayed here on the bottom. In fact, I tried to do that actually tried to get it up on my TV for the last required weekly test on WXK5, the last required weekly test of 2021, and also the first required weekly test of, well, first 7 p.m. required weekly test on WXK5 in the year 2021. But unfortunately, that didn't work because our Wi-Fi was having some issues at the time. But luckily, when the Wi-Fi started to have issues, this continued to display. So, yeah, and local forecast. There was supposed to be a marginal risk. We were under a marginal risk, but that ended up being reduced. In fact, there isn't really anything. There's supposed to be the chance of severe weather. Local radar. As you can see here, there's no storms currently. The threat comes from so this is where the Will you stop? There we are. And then this is where the severe weather threat is from here all the way up here. And okay. I can see here there's a little bit of rain here, but it's just light rain. And why do you keep going to the current conditions? This thing's not wanting to work right. So, and also, this is kind of weird here, how they're doing abbreviations. So, OKC is okay. Will you stop? So as you can see here, they have TUL for Tulsa and OKC for, you know, Oklahoma City. But then they have SWO for Stillwater and END for Enid. If they're going to abbreviate it to Enid to END, they might as well add the I. And then, I don't know what that's supposed to stand for. Ada. That is actually a town name. That's the only town name on here. Because there is actually a town of Ada. It's covered by KJY 95. Then, I don't know what that's supposed to be. I don't know. And then I think this is supposed to be Holbert. I think this is supposed to be Holbert. Ardmore, I think. I don't know. And then, I don't know what that's supposed to stand for. So, yeah. As you can see here, and got to wrap this video up real quick. See your light precipitation down there. Anyways, my camera is going to end up stop recording because it has an 18-minute video limit. You have 18 minutes to film per video. So I'm going to go and wrap this up real quick. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. And that will be it.